Number 5. Koenigsegg Jesko. Price $3 million. The Koenigsegg Jesko is a Swedish limited production mid-engine sports car produced by automobile manufacturer Koenigsegg. The name Jesko is a tribute to the company founder's father, Jesko von Koenigsegg. Production of the Jesko will be limited to 125 units. The car has a claimed top speed of 483 km per hour or 300 miles per hour. Number 4. Aston Martin Valkyrie. Price $3.2 million. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a limited production hybrid sports car collaboratively built by British automobile manufacturer Aston Martin, Red Bull Racing, and several other manufacturers. Aston Martin Valkyrie is a track-oriented car entirely usable and enjoyable as a road car. The car's makers claim the title of fastest street-legal car in the world. The car's production is limited to 150 units only. The Aston Martin Valkyrie claims a top speed of 402 km per hour or 250 miles per hour. Number 3. Bugatti Chiron Sport. Price $3.4 million. The Bugatti Chiron Sport is a French mid-engine two-seater sports car developed by automobile manufacturer Bugatti Automobiles. The Chiron's top speed is electronically limited to 420 km per hour or 261 miles per hour for safety reasons, mainly arising from the tires. Number 2. Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. Price $3.5 million. The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC is an Italian mid-engine sports car produced by sports car manufacturer Pagani. The Huayra has a top speed of about 383 km per hour or 238 miles per hour. Production of the Huayra Roadster BC will be limited to 40 units only. Number 1. Lamborghini Seon FKP37. Price $3.6 million. The Lamborghini Seon FKP37 is an Italian mid-engine hybrid sports car produced by the automobile manufacturer Lamborghini. Unveiled online on 3 September 2019, the Seon is the first hybrid production vehicle produced by Lamborghini. The car attains an electronically limited top speed of 350 km per hour or 217 miles per hour. Production of the Seon FKP37 will be limited to 63 units.